Hello all. In this video, we learn about the modular approach to embedded system design. So this is a continuation of embedded system design series. So the key parameters for a successful embedded system are time to market and overall system cost, which is more important. Choosing the right microcontroller is so very important. Time to market. So whether the microcontroller which we have selected is right or not. So whether it supports the high level language, advanced level language. So whether it is easy to use, difficult to use, is it a compatible device, whether we can make use of the complete memory, is the memory sufficient for us, the capacity, memory capacity of the random access memory, RAM or the ROM are important. And the development tools like assembler, compiler, debugger, emulators, and the kits and the support of these items are also to be considered while designing an embedded system. So the overall system cost we have to consider, cost of the microcontroller, the external components cost of the PCB we have to consider. So this is nothing but the overall cost which we spend for developing the hardware and also for developing the software. These are to be considered while designing the embedded system. Microcontroller classifications. So there are three types of classifications. One is the memory architecture, bit handling capacity, instruction set architecture. So with memory architecture, we have two types. One is a Van Neumann architecture and another one is a Harvard architecture. So the second type is bit handling capacity. So the microcontrollers can handle bits of 4 bits, 8 bits, 16 bits, 32 bits, or even 64 bits. Based on the instruction set, the microcontroller can be classified into four types. One is the complex instruction set computing. Next one is reduced instruction set computing, minimal instruction set computing, very large instruction word. So these are the four types of instruction set architecture. So the next one is the current favorites, the 8-bitters. 8051 is a microcontroller family. More than 1000 variants are there in 8051 microcontroller. Microchip PIC, RISC architecture we have to consider. So these are the things which we can follow in the microcontroller. 8-bit, 16-bitters. The developers, these are the developers who produce 16-bit capacity. So Texas Instruments MSP430 microcontroller, Microchip PIC microcontroller 24, PIC 24, ST Microelectronics ST10, HC16 are the microcontroller developers, manufacturers. So 32-bitters are also available. 32-bit ARM family, 1000 variants are also available in it. Intel 86 family is also available. IBM PowerPC also uses the microcontroller. Modular approach to an embedded system design is the next topic. So this is the main block diagram of the microcontroller. So here we have devices like input block, output block, power supply block we have. Embedded computer block is the middlemost one. So here it is connected. The embedded computer block is connected with the communication block. So this is nothing but the electronic glue. This is totally the electronic glue. This is the embedded system part, which is then connected with the host and storage block. So we have input block, output block, power supply block to control the power supply, to provide power supply for the system, and the communication block is also there. Memory, for memory storage, we have storage host and storage block is available. So in the input block, we have the user input sound, the magnetic field, we have the distance, temperature, we have the input block, maybe the sensors like LDR sensor, photodiode, LEDs can be connected. So the relative position images can be provided as input, and time signals can also be there. The output block will be having the light signals, LED as the output device, display device, visual display, LCD, LED displays, sound or buzzers, speakers, ultrasound. These can also be made as a output block. Temperature. Next one is a temperature. Heater, position, flow, haptic, and printers. These are the output blocks or the output devices which we can have. So the next one is the stepper motor. Stepper motor can also be considered as an output device. The DC motor, servo mechanism, solenoids can also be act as a output block. So next one is a power supply block, which provides power supply to the system. Communication link are nothing but the inter-device, UART protocols, LIN, CAN, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, and Bluetooth can act as the communication link. Host and the storage block. Host and the storage block is nothing but the SD card or the memory card. It can be the memory. So programmable read-only memory is a will be present in the storage block. I hope you would have found the video to be useful. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Radhika.